Yo, what's up guys? We got our food, we're here outside, we're about to go in right now. I cannot wait. Yo, what's up guys? Your boy Kels. Welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we're here in the West Village. We're here at BeatNic right there behind us. You guys remember the Vegan Festival? They have bomb food there. I met one of the representatives and they wanted me to come through and try some food out. So if you guys are ready to see some amazing food and see someone get a New York City ticket right there behind me, let's go in there and check it out. Let's do it. Inside, my homie David's right there behind us. He's gonna hook us up with some food. I'll see you when the food comes out. You already know. Yo, what's up guys? We got our food. We're here outside. We're about to go in right now. I cannot wait.
Yeah.
We have a guest star today, guys. She tried to surprise me, but it's all good because I got your food already too.
Oh.
Yo, we got a special guest here, obviously. This is Momo.
Momo Dumont from Based on a True Plant.
Glad to have you back on the channel for sure.
Thank you for having me. So we could, you know, come into the vegan world again.
Yeah, even though we're eating burgers and chicken and everything else, it is a healthy alternative than what you guys usually find anywhere else. So why don't we tell them what you have? What'd you have? What'd you order?
So I actually ordered the big deal, and it is bacon cheeseburger with the works. It has lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles, and a special sauce and some fries, and a lemonade, a side of mac and cheese.
I got the chicken sandwich. Look at this, guys. Does that not look bomb? The chicken on that?
You can actually see the beet ketchup. The bacon is made out of shiitake.
Cup of queso. We're gonna try these out first. Let's see what it's here for.
Good?
Yeah. Like it has like, yeah. Look at that. Just going.
Wow.
Just gooey.
So it definitely has like a little kick to it. Wow, this is really good.
I can't eat regular nacho cheese anymore. If I go to the movies and eat those nachos, it's over.
Oh my God, they're so good.
It's so good.
It was definitely one of my favorite things to eat when I wasn't vegan, and I would go to the movies and sometimes I would get extra cheese.
Yeah.
And I would dip my popcorn in the cheese.
Okay. Actually around Thanksgiving time now.
Right.
So we have a smoker's burger of food right now. You guys can be gearing up for Thanksgiving the next couple of weeks. So just keep your mind on some healthier options. Try something different. Try some different alternatives.
What would you rate the nacho cheese with the air fried fries? I love anything that's air fried. Guys, if you have ever tried air fried food.
I was supposed to get to my rating. How you talk about air fried?
I'm just saying.
Okay, my rating on 1 to 5. We're gonna give this a 4.25.
I'm gonna give this a 4.5.
So on the corner of McDougal and Bleecker. So if you guys ever pass by here, make sure you stop by. I just want to try some of this lemonade real quick.
Okay.
See what it's here for. Cheers.
Wait, what did you get?
This is the strawberry lemonade.
Okay, I got the regular lemonade.
Okay.
Wow, that's really good.
I like it. It's nice and sweet. Jesus. So I'm ready to get into mac and cheese. Are you ready?
Me too. This looks amazing.
Okay. I feel like we should switch it up a little bit.
Okay. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Go, let's do the mac and cheese.
The cheese is made out of sweet potato.
What's on top?
It has shiitake mushrooms.
Looks bomb, doesn't it?
They add a little bit of smoked paprika on top. They add Parmesan. Parmesan cheese is actually made out of almonds. And, oh, you really must like it. You're going in.
She's doing the talking right now. I'm doing the eating. The first thing I notice when I taste the mac and cheese, it's super like buttery, velvety, you know, it has like that rich, creamy flavor to it. This is a lot of mac and cheese too.
It is.
I do know that mac and cheese is one of the most popular things for Thanksgiving.
Popular side items.
You guys have mac and cheese for Thanksgiving? Oh! One and only BeatNic Ghost here, coming through, scaring people. It's Halloween time. Make sure you stay on point, stay on point. So it's actually a method to the madness when you make mac and cheese.
It is. You can't just make mac and cheese like.
I'm gonna give you guys a tip. If you make mac and cheese, you have to make the cheese sauce that goes in the mac and cheese before you bake it. That's how you get the crazy, velvety, flavorful, crazy mac and cheese. And then you put the extra cheese on top.
Okay.
That's how you do it.
What's your favorite part of the mac and cheese?
I'd probably have to say the actual noodle, because it's cooked just right.
It is.
You can't overcook your noodles when you make mac and cheese because the consistency won't be as like al dente.
Right, exactly.
Or it won't like hold together.
The shells
Yeah.
at the top to be crunchy.
Got you.
But then in the middle and in the bottom, super soft, but a little al dente. So then that way you can actually taste the pasta.
Scale of 1 to 5, I'm gonna give mine a 4.35.
Wow.
I like the consistency, I like the texture of it. The flavor is just right. It's not too cheesy. It has a little bit of a zing to it. And you know, these mushrooms kind of add like something on top of it.
Yeah. For me, I'm gonna give this 4. I'm gonna give this 4.
Okay.
A solid 4.
So what do you like about it?
So what I like about it is the actual combination.
Yeah.
The fact that they added shiitake mushrooms on the top, that little crispity crunch. A really nice consistency when it comes to the cheese. And I think it's smoked paprika. It gives it a nice little kick.
Okay.
About that time.
Burger time.
You're a chicken sandwich.
Okay, try your burger.
All right, guys, so I'm about to go in. Again, guys, I got the big deal, which is a bacon cheeseburger with the works. If it don't got the works, I'm gonna be mad. And it got cheese, too.
Bomb. How was it? First bite?
Super juicy.
Okay.
I actually think that this is a homemade veggie burger. Kind of tastes lentil.
Lentil, okay.
Lentil.
Chicken sandwich with BeatNic coming up right now. So,
Go ahead, chicken head.
what I do like is the pretzel bread. If you guys like pretzel bread, this is the sandwich for you.
Okay.
The first thing you should expect when you eat a chicken sandwich is the crunch. If it's not crunchy, it ain't crunchy. The pretzel bread is super soft. The cheese is really good. You know what I do think it's missing? Cheese. To the cheese, you see this chicken sandwich? We're gonna cheese this thing off. Go. Bam, bam, bam. That's hitting. Now let me know if your burger tastes better before or after with that cheese.
All right. Yes. 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 Yes.
Get that cheese on that thing.
I'm gonna finish it off with some too. I ain't even gonna lie, nah, it's hitting. It's hitting.
We're gonna give this a 4.5. Then we throw the cheese on it, we're gonna give it a 4.75.
Okay.
That's how lit this is.
Okay. I'm gonna give my burger a 4.25. And then with the melted cheese on top, I'm gonna give it a 4.5.
Okay.
Because it did add that little razzle dazzle.
Make sure you come through and try this out, guys, for sure. All right, guys, we got our dessert. We're ready to dig in right now. Ladies first, why don't you show us what we have?
Now, guys, check this out. S'mores bar.
That looks bomb.
I don't even know what to do with myself. Wow. Okay.
Wait. Let me show you mine first.
Okay.
It's the chocolate rainbow swirl cake.
Okay.
Look at the love.
Wow.
The flavor of love.
It's like a shoe horse in the middle. Okay, you ready?
A horseshoe?
Ready?
Go ahead. Wow.
Wow.
It's like a pound cake, but the flavors, every color you see here, it's like a different flavor. So bomb. Wow, super moist. Everything I could want right now.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. In the bottom has the graham cracker. Now the middle is a ganache, chocolate, and then with toasted vegan marshmallows to top it off.
Yeah. Is it a creamy consistency?
Right, it's very creamy, in between a mousse and a pudding.
Okay.
And the marshmallows literally melt in your mouth.
Look, can I taste some of that though?
Yeah, of course. I know you don't got no cooties.
Bomb. Wow.
Like you said, it was very moist.
What are you gonna give that one?
I'm gonna give mine a solid 4.
A 4?
Solid 4. I love the graham cracker in the bottom.
Got you. I'm gonna give this guy guys a 4.25.
Okay.
I feel like it would be even more lit if it had some ice cream to go in it. That would be crazy. That would be crazy.
Okay.
She had the burger, had the chicken sandwich, we had dessert, we had the fries, a cup of queso, we had the bomb lemonade. We got a lot of stuff today.
Right, so as you guys could see at BeatNic, they have a plethora of options. So if you guys love vegan food or if you want to eat something better, BeatNic is definitely a spot that you guys should come and check out.
Alright guys, we're gonna clean up here and we'll see you guys in a second. You already know. Alright guys, that pretty much wraps it up here for our episode today at BeatNic. We had so much amazing food. Did you enjoy it?
I am super stuffed. Everything was absolutely incredible. Thank you, BeatNic, for having us and catering to us.
We'll see you guys on the other side. Until next time guys, it's your boy Kels.
It's your girl Momo Dumont from Based on a True Plan.
Stay safe, stay blessed, stay dangerous.
Peace, love, and light.
We out.